Hi, Blind Guy Garage. Troy-Bilt Pony, 42-inch. Pretty. This is a pretty common machine. People buy these a lot. They're good machines. They work pretty decent. So we're off in the woods. This is the more modern version. So ignition switch is there. You turn that on. When the machine is cold, you go all the way forward. All the way forward. It has like a little, I don't know if you can hear it, but it has a little detent where that's full throttle. If you go any farther than that after you've got it running, it's going to stall out on you and stuff. But if you keep it at full throttle when you're cutting, choke when you first start the machine, but not every time. Most of the time, if it's warm, it'll still start up just fine about half throttle. You want to idle the machine all the way down to low idle before you shut it off every time, because if you don't, it's like shutting the car off with your gas pedal to the floor. It's not gonna be too nice on your mower. This is your speed control, ground speed control, and basically your clutch and brake. So you have to push this. Sometimes you have to push these all the way down to get them to start. This one, no. So this one, I have it at idle because this one's already been ran for a minute. But you don't want to start it at full throttle every single time. And when you started it with the choke on, it fires up, and then you immediately bring it down to about half throttle or something. Because think about it, it's like starting a car with the gas pedal to the floor. I'm going to do it and see if it'll start up with just on choke, because it's hot. See, it don't even want to start with it on choke. We're going to go with half throttle. See, it was a little too much choke. You'll start right there. See? And with these, a lot of times you want to leave your deck at the highest setting. Turn it to that. Leave your deck at the highest setting. Push your PTO or deck engagement lever. You'll push that down. It'll start the deck. Then you put your deck engagement lever your deck height lever to the selected height. And you'll be ready to mow. Some of these machines are set up where you can leave them at running, and you turn it back one click, and then that makes it where you can mow in reverse. This machine will not let you do that. If you put it in reverse with the blades on, it'll stall out and turn off on you. So you don't want to mow at such a high rate that you'll hear the RPM or the hum of the blades start to go down, like you'll hear it change pitch. If you're doing that, these machines have enough power usually to burn through the deck belt. You want to slow down your ground speed down here. Some machines it's up here and the throttle's over there. You slow down your ground speed, but always mow at full throttle. They're designed, these engines and stuff are designed to mow at full throttle. You slow your ground speed down so that you hear your blades, the tone of the blades come back up. If the tone of the blades is changing and the engine is bogging down too, you're definitely going too fast. Slow down, give it a chance to catch up to what you're doing, and then just creep along if you're cutting really tall stuff, like you're trying to cut this kind of stuff, or what's out there in that field. But always check your oil every time you go to use the machine. I think standard service intervals is about every 20 hours or something like that. I'm not 100% on these. You always change your oil, do all that stuff every season. That way you just know it's done. You don't lose track of time because they don't have a meter on these. There's a spot for it, I think, right yonder. Yeah, a little square doodad right there. But it don't have it hooked up. These are the FNR, forward, neutral, and reverse. Forward, neutral, reverse. They will, you can, this kind of, if you look at the other videos on my channel, there's a yard dog machine. It's got a little pipe over here on the side. Some Athlete tires back there and stuff. We use that all the time to pull machines around and pull cars and stuff like that, and it does good. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it's informative. Y'all stay blessed. Like, share, and subscribe.